Okay. So in your on your right hand side, you have what is called effects and presets, which are also right here. Yours are going to look different than mine because I have a lot of plugins. But if you go over to here into your panel here, you can type in, and it's called CC Rainfall. And you're going to type that in. And then what you're going to do, it should pop up 32. I'm pretty sure you guys, I'm not sure about AppStream what this will be, but it's going to either be 16, 32, or 64, which doesn't really matter. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to Layer, New, and create an adjustment layer. And you want it to be on the top of everything right there. And I already have one here. And then what you're going to do on the adjustment, whoops, we'll just do this. On the adjustment layer, you're just going to take this and you're going to drag it on your adjustment layer. And then over here in your effects control, you will have CC Rainfall, and you can change your drop size. Well, I'm sorry, this is the amount of drops you have. This is your drop size. And the drop size is actually just kind of like the length. And then your scene depth, speed, your wind, which kind of sets the turbulence. It's not really that noticeable. Variation, that's like the variation in your drop size. You can change your color. So if I click on that, I get different colors. So you can change it to pink, which, whoops. Hey, what happened? Oh. So you can have acid rain if you want. The opacity. And that is how you create your rain. It's pretty easy. So you have to have rain, you have to have thunder. If I go and play this through, here's my lightning, my strike. And that's about it. And then at the end, you're going to have a surprise ending, which can be anything that you want to do as long as it can happen in the sky. Like I don't want to see a train going by. Any questions?
Yeah, can you take a look at my